Right, so new character unlocked. I'm Adam. Split charge. I don't often appear on videos. We've got Val here. We're just doing a handover on ambulance build that she's got. We met Val at the Vanlife Festival last weekend. You asked me to come over and have a quick look. You had a few issues with your fridge, didn't you? And you were struggling on your power. So obviously you understand the benefits of the lithium, but you didn't quite know how to go forward with it, didn't you? No. So
right, it is Monday morning. It is week 2 after being back from Vanlife. This is the second van from Vanlife. This belongs to Val and Kev. Home is where we park it. So Adam had a look at this one at the show and it's dangerous. There's no fusing on the batteries. The battery linked with the wrong size cable. It's got an inverter that just shouldn't be fitted. So they've asked us to rip it out, start again, and fit good quality gear in it. So in this one, we're going to have an Orion XS, we're going to have a smart solar controller to go with there. I think it's 300 watt panel on the roof, and a Multi+ 2. Basically the same system we fit in everyone. It's having a 460 amp hour battery. That's replacing the 2 lead acid batteries that are in there at the minute. We'll just show you inside. So you can see in here, it's got an old Sargent EC160 unit, which were commonly used in some of the older camper van conversions. It's outdated tech, but because it's all wide intake lights and that's what's fitted, we'll keep that. But as you can see, we've just got a cheap Chinese inverter in there. It's been on, it's already warm, and they've only driven like half an hour here this morning and powered an ice maker. We've got 2 portable power batteries, which are just lead acid batteries, 100 amp hour ish. We've got a changeover switch which will go because we don't need that anymore because that's built in the Multi+. And yeah, as you can see, there's just no fuses down there at all. So once we've done Works and Magic, we'll show you an after picture.
Right, so the van's been in a couple of hours now. So the first job in this one was to take everything out.
Hello?
It was a complete mess. No fusing, wrong size cables, just everything about it were a bit of a mess. I managed to get the battery in a nice place by taking out some of the infill panels that was in here that covered up the wheel arch. Then I've made a nice platform for the inverter to sit on and then give myself enough room for the other Victron products down there. One of the other things that I'm finding is nothing square on this van. So I've put something square into a van that's not square and it's just making everything look weird, but it's going to fit and it's going to work. Right, so it's nearly 10 o'clock on day 2. I've got to the point of the job where it always looks messy, but once I've put tie-ups on everything, it all neatens up and tidies up. So yeah, we're making good progress. Everything's in apart from the solar controller, so I've just got to go over and get one of them from the other unit now, get that in and run my cables to the front and a little bit more wiring in here, and then we're pretty much done there. Right, so that's another job done now. This van came to us with a very unsafe system, and to be honest, they're very lucky the van didn't catch fire with how it was in there. I found several melted cables on the inverter, no fusing on anything. There was a 6mm cable running on a 70 amp fuse to the front battery, which is just a big no-no. But now they've got a nice safe system, 3 kilowatt inverter, lots of power in this van. So yeah, they're ready to go and have some more adventures.
obviously we met at the Vanlife Festival last weekend. What made you come over to see us at Vanlife Festival?
Well, we'd been let down previously 2 months ago, and it was becoming the season where we're away off-grid constantly at festivals. There's no hookup, and the problems we kept having was mostly with the fridge. It was always showing signs it wasn't running right. If the weather was really hot, it was taking all the battery. It was working overtime. So it was really necessary for us. It was ruining our holiday by not being able to use the things we want to use, the microwave, the fridge, the shower. It was all them nice things that I like and I enjoy on a holiday. So it was really necessary for us. It was ruining our holiday by not being able to use the things we want to use, the microwave, the fridge, the shower. It was all them nice things that I like and I enjoy on a holiday. So it was really necessary for us. It was ruining our holiday by not being able to use the things we want to use, the microwave, the fridge, the shower. It was all them nice things that I like and I enjoy on a holiday. So when we arrived, because we were staff on Vanlife, so I sent Kevin and my friend over to see if they could get somebody, and they found yourself, and you come highly chosen for the lithium batteries. And you did come over and you had a look, and you were able to fit us in, and that's why we're in Rotherham. And we've stayed, and we're ready to go on our next journey, and we're so excited. It's beautiful how you've set it out, and I can't imagine it. I've just got this great new lease of life to be able to get out and use our van.
Yeah,
I'm
very
excited.
good. So you're obviously off on another show this weekend, aren't you?
We certainly are.
So you've got a good chance to test the system
Yes.
and report back to us. Make
Most
sure you're happy with
definitely.
it.
And tell
Yeah.
everyone about you. Split
Yeah.
charge. The best.
Very good. Thank you very much.